Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to watch a TikTok video full screen without any captions, any icons. Here you can see a profile icon which is circled, a heart button, like button, comment section, share button, all those captions right there. If you want to watch a video full screen, you will need to save the video to your phone. So first you will have to click on share button, and then you can save a video. If you won't see a save video button, then the person's video you want to save, he just turned off the option to do this. But if you see this, you're just gonna click on save video, and that's done. And then we're gonna go to my gallery, and here's the video, and here's how you can watch it full screen. So that's really it, guys. That's how you can do that's how you can watch TikTok videos full screen. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more content. Take care. Bye.